So this is the house from the show that I was inspired by. And this is my remake in Bloxburg. Alright, so now let's take a look inside the house. Alright, so this is the family room I was inspired by from the show. And this is my remake in Bloxburg. Obviously, it's not perfect, but it's pretty close. Alright, so this is the kitchen in the show with the two different islands and the yellow chairs. And this is my remake. Pretty close. So this is the dining room in the show. You can see the red chairs and the glass table and the black rug. And this is my remake. So now this is just a time lapse of everything else in the house that isn't inspired by the show, just because in the show, not everything's shown. So then here's a studio, garage, a game room, and now we're gonna go and take a look into the penthouse, which is inspired by the Lab Rats Elite Force apartment. So here's the exterior of the penthouse. You can see at the top is where the actual apartment is. So now let's go up the elevator and take a look inside. Okay, so here's what I was inspired by. You're gonna see in the next clip, it's not the right angle, but it is the same idea as you can see here. And here's my remake. And that's it. Thanks for watching.